Today I'm going to teach you how to convert your Google AI Studio app into a fully functional web app. This is incredibly useful if you want to share your AI creation with others or make it accessible online without requiring them to have access to AI Studio directly. First, open your web browser and navigate to a studio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where your AI Studio apps are stored, as this is essential for accessing your projects. After logging in, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find various navigation options. Click on Build, which will open up a menu of different features. From this menu, select your apps. This section displays all the apps you've created within AI Studio, making it easy to manage and access your projects. Now browse through your list of apps and locate the specific one you want to convert into a web app. Once you've found it, simply click on its name to open it. This will take you into the app's workspace where you can view and modify its settings. Next, look for the code option and click on it. This is where the magic happens, as it provides you with the technical resources needed to transform your app into a standalone web application. The code section contains all the necessary files and configurations your app needs to function independently. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Download App. Click this button and wait a few seconds while the system prepares your app's files for download. This package contains everything required to deploy your app on a web hosting platform. Now it's time to get your app online. Open a new tab and go to Vercel.com. Vercel is a powerful platform that makes deploying web apps straightforward and offers a generous free tier. Sign in using your GitHub account, as this will streamline the deployment process and allow for easy updates later. Once you're logged into Vercel, click on New Project. You'll have the option to import your GitHub repository if you've uploaded your downloaded app there, or you can directly upload the zip file you just downloaded from AI Studio. Either method works perfectly fine, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. After importing your project, click Deploy. Vercel will automatically build and host your web app, handling all the technical configurations in the background. This process usually takes just a minute or two, and you can watch the progress in real time. Finally, once the deployment is complete, navigate to your Vercel dashboard where you'll find your live URL. It will look something like your app.vercel.app. Copy this link and you're all set. You can now share this URL with anyone, and they'll be able to access your AI Studio app as a fully functional web application. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Google AI Studio app into a web app that's live and accessible to anyone with the link. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.